space, I think should be able to make some money on it. The overall, if you look at on the sugar space, I think Renuka is best placed to ride this cyclical upturn if there is one. Though prices have been rising on the domestic front, there's been issues on the policy front. There's been expectation that some policy change will happen, but nothing much has happened there. But Renuka Sugar is a play both on domestic as well as international, as you just said. So I think there is scope for upsides here. A potential target can be about 85-90 at least from medium term perspective. So I think she can continue to hold on to it.
All right, Amalika. So it's a thumbs up coming in from Shrikant. Shri Renuka Sugars is good to augur well for the long-term period of 1 year that you have. Let's move away from the sugar pack and talk about real estate. We've got Amit from Bangalore who's got a query on Unitech. Hi, Amit. Good to have you on Buy Now, Sell Now. What's your query on Unitech? Amit, can you... Oh, in fact, an SMS query coming in on Unitech from Amit. We'll get that answered. He wants to know what's the right time to buy into this counter. He's got a short-term time horizon. Across the board, you have seen a lot of selling pressure coming in. Real estate as a pack is absolutely no exception. On a year-to-date basis, it's declined a massive 44%, underperformed the peers such as DLF and HDIL or an India Bulls real estate. Shrikant, it has been trading in quite a range between a level of about 36 to 39 in Feb. Do you think the uptrend is likely to start anytime soon, and what's the right level to enter?
It's difficult to say whether the uptrend is likely to start or something, but yeah, it's probably a time to take a contrarian bet, probably in real estate and infra. The stocks have corrected substantially. There is scope for taking a contrarian bet, but contrarian bets typically get played out over more of a longer term perspective rather than a short term perspective. So if he has a short term perspective, I think it's better to look at more trading where there is momentum rather than get into a Unitech. In fact, even in terms of performance wise, HDIL or probably stocks which have lesser debt would be probably better off. Anantaraj Industries, Mahindra Life, these probably would be better placed to have from a short-term perspective, I think.
All right, too soon to say whether the trend is going to look up for a Unitech, but over a long-term period, it could reap benefits. So hold on. But better than that is an HDIL and Anantaraj, basically companies which have lesser debt on their books is something that Shrikant is watching out for. On that note, we'll slip into a very, very short tea break for ourselves as well as for you. But we'll be discussing a few more stocks on the other side, which include an HDIL, again from the real estate pack. Shrikant just spoke about it. Coal India as well as State Bank of Travancore.
And here's how you can take part on the show Buy Now, Sell Now. 3 very simple ways. Email us, send us an SMS to 58888. Talk to us live